What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Trey Jones. Today we're going to be talking about 3 important tests you need to get done if you suffer from anxiety. Go ahead and smash the like button down below if you're ready to kick anxiety in the butt. Leave me a comment down there, guys. Let me know if you've had any of these conditions. Did it affect your anxiety? Did it cause your anxiety, make it worse? Hopefully your testimony, your story, your presence, and your comments, guys, can push other people, other viewers to go get checked, because this is a pretty serious video. So make sure that you stick around, guys. So, guys, I'm not huge on getting constant reassurance, especially if you have health anxiety. Eventually, we kind of have to stop with the testing. And I know some of you are thinking, and I'll probably get a couple comments, I'm trying to stop with all the testing. Now you're giving me more tests. These are 3 simple tests that ought to be done early on in your anxiety, when you first start to feel different, when you first start to experience symptoms. I don't consider these tests the same as getting your 4th MRI, getting your 2nd CAT scan or 3rd CAT scan, constant blood work, 50 EKGs or ECGs. This is not the same thing to me, okay? And it's extremely common in the anxiety community, these 3 conditions, okay? So I want you to take this very seriously. This is going to save a lot of you, a lot of time, a lot of suffering, because the odds are, if this video gets thousands and thousands of views, there's going to be a few of you that have one of these issues. You're going to get it fixed. You're going to get treated for it, and your life is going to drastically improve, okay? So these 3 tests, we're going to go through them. They are going to be down below in the description and in the first spin comment if you want to check it out. They will be down below. You need to take action, okay? So the first one, guys, is going to be thyroid testing, all right? 2 common conditions: overactive thyroid, underactive thyroid, excuse me. So we got hyperthyroidism and hypothyroidism, all right? They cause a wide range of symptoms. For instance, like hypothyroidism, you're going to feel more sluggish, more tired, more fatigued. Hyperthyroidism, usually you have some of the more aggressive anxiety symptoms like shakiness, tremors, some more chest pain. Fast heartbeat is something else. And those 2 conditions can either cause an increase in weight or a decrease in weight. Many different symptoms. I have a separate video, for instance, over hyperthyroidism. You can go check that out. I'll link it up at the end of this video. But you need to get that checked out, okay? I've talked to many people where their thyroid levels are off. They're getting treatment. They feel a lot better, okay? So get those things checked out. There's 2 different thyroid tests. That's going to be down below. The next one, guys, very important. Your hormone levels. Women, this is just as important for you, okay? Be sure to get it checked. Now, as far as testosterone, that's probably the thing that we hear the most about, I guess, in regards to anxiety. There's so many men out there that have low testosterone levels and are reporting, being anxious, having panic, and feeling depressed, okay? There's actually a guy that followed the channel for a very long time and was in one of my Facebook groups in that community, and, he struggled with symptoms, wondering what this was, what that was. He eventually found out that he had low testosterone levels. He was on TRT, which is testosterone replacement therapy, and now he is feeling amazing. Almost completely different, okay? So imagine having an issue like that. You get treatment, and now your life is way better, right? The quality of life is great, right? Versus before. So testosterone replacement, and if it's not super off, guys, there's natural ways to increase testosterone as well, but you need to talk to your doctor about that after finding out the results. Hormone testing is going to be down below as well, guys. And last but not least, okay, this is extremely common as well. Hear about it all the time. Vitamin deficiencies. Things like vitamin D, which is actually very common in the anxiety community, being low in vitamin D. Magnesium, right? There's iron. Your iron being low, especially ladies, okay? You need to make sure that your vitamin levels are where they're at. The good news is you can supplement. Also, if you don't want to do the supplement route, you can just look up certain foods that have these vitamins in it to start replacing them, okay? And you can start feeling a lot better. I know vitamin D deficiencies, magnesium deficiencies, they can cause a lot of symptoms that are similar to anxiety. So you want to get those things handled and then move forward from there. But guys, I'm going to put all the testing down below. You can do with it what you want. I'm just here to give you a message. I'm not trying to scare you or make you feel uncomfortable, or push these things on you. It's just very important. I hear it too many times to not mention these 3 issues. Please get it handled. Some of you are going to see drastic improvements in your life, whether it be your anxiety, your health. please, guys, if you haven't done it, take advantage of it. It's going to be down below in the description. The company that actually does this, guys, it's called Let's Get Checked. What they do is they just send you the test, you do it, and then you send it back and you get your results in just a couple days online. So you don't have to go. You don't have to worry about booking an appointment, waiting forever to get the test, and then having to wait forever to get that phone call to tell you what's going on. You can do this yourself. Very reliable company. It's run through Walmart, CVS. And the promo code, actually, if you don't have insurance or funds are tight right now, especially with the pandemic going on, you can save 20% on these tests. Trey Jones 20. That's going to be down below in the description and the first spin comment. But guys, I love you all. Keep fighting. More videos are coming out. I told you it's going to be more consistent. My tips for anxiety are down below. My coaching info is down below. Online therapy information is down below. Start being proactive and let's kick anxiety in the butt. All right, guys, I love you all. Until the next time, bye.